You can start.
Hi, I am Dishti. I have a little sister. She is 1 year old. This is my mother. She loves to dance. This is my grandmother. She loves to watch TV. He is my dad. He works in the office. This is my grandpa. He loves me. This is my grandmother. She teaches.
Okay, so thank you so much, Drishti. You have used so many family members, huh? Good job, Drishti. And what are the pronouns that you have used? Can you recognize and tell me? What were the pronouns that you used in your sentences?
I,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
he,
Mm-hmm. I, he, and she, correct? For
yes,
the in the family, you used he. For the girls and the women in the family, you used she. And for yourself, you used I. All right. Thank you so much, Drishti. Good job.
thank you.
Now let's see who's next. Prayag. Prayag, are you ready with your puppets and your sentences? Yes, Prayag.
Yes.
Okay. Please start.
Hi, I am Prayan. My mother.
Mm-hmm.
He is he bakes cake.
Mm-hmm.
He is my father.
Mm-hmm.
He works in office.
Okay.
This is my little brother. He
Mm-hmm.
loves me.
He.
He loves me.
Hmm. And where are you, Prayag? You have not made for yourself? Ah, there's Prayag. Yes, tell me the sentence.
I love my brother.
Oh, your brother loves you. You love your brother. Wow, wow, wow. Nice. Thank you, Prayag. Good attempt. I like the sentences that you have
This
used. Oh, you have
is
more? Okay.
my grandfather.
Mm-hmm.
He
Just
loves he loves to watch television.
okay. He loves to watch television. Mm-hmm. So what is the pronoun that you used for your father and your grandfather? What was the pronoun? He, correct? You
Yes.
have used he. And what was the pronoun you used for your mother?
She.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Prayag. All right, now let's see who is next. Anushka. Anushka, are you ready with your sentences and your puppets? Unmute, please, and start the sentences.
Hi, I am Anushka.
Mm-hmm.
This is my mother.
Mm-hmm.
She works in the office.
Okay.
This is my dad. He works in the office.
Same sentence. Say something else about your dad.
Okay.
Home.
Okay.
Home office.
He work from home.
Acha, work from home, pandemic situation. Uh-huh. Next. Done?
This is no. This is my
Mm-hmm.
She do lots of
She does.
cooking, tasty, and stitch dress for me
Oh, so your grandmama, she cooks food for you and she stitches nice dresses for you. Very nice.
and make cake
And bakes cake as well. My God, multi-talented grandma. Mm-hmm.
without oven.
Without oven. Oh my God, condition apply. Okay, Anushka, got it. Thank you. Anyone else?
More one is there.
Okay, one more. Okay.
This is my grandfather.
Hmm.
I love him.
He loves me or I love him. All right, fine. Thank you so much, Anushka. Good job. Next student, we have Swara Kolhe. Swara, are you ready? And children, whatever sentences you are saying in the class, you have to write it down in your activity sheet. Keep your puppets on them. Okay, ice cream sticks puppets, you have to keep on that stick and you have to click a photo of that sheet and upload it in your English assignment. Okay, I hope the instruction is clear to all of you. Yes, Swara.
I love to play.
Who is I? Say your name first.
My name is Swara.
Mm-hmm.
I love to play with my friends.
All right.
He is my father. He
Hmm.
is with me.
Mm-hmm.
He is my uncle. He
Mm-hmm.
brings me chocolates.
Mm-hmm.
He is my mother.
She.
He is my mother.
You have to say, this is my mother.
This is my mother.
Hmm.
Cooks nice food.
Okay. Done?
Yes.
Okay. So together, what are you people? Together, what are you called?
He.
Not that. आप सबको एक साथ आप क्या बोलोगे? We are a family.
We.
हाँ. So say a sentence. We are a happy family.
We are a happy family.
So in that we have used which pronoun for all of you together as a group?
We.
Very good, Swara. Good job. Thank you, Swara. Now start writing those sentences in your activity sheet. Okay. And on top of the activity sheet, all of you will write today's date, your name, standard, division, roll number. Okay. All the details should be written on the activity sheet. Otherwise, how will I know that it is your sheet? Correct? So all of you should write your name, standard, division, roll number on top of your activity sheet. Shrihan, sit straight. All right. Now next is Anushri. Anushri, are you ready with your sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. I loved your t-shirt, by the way. Okay, start.
This is a me. I like to draw a painting.
Okay, so this is a me nahi hai. This is me or hello, this is Anushka. Or my name is, sorry, not Anushka, Anushri. My name is Anushri.
My name is Anushri. And I love to do painting. This is
Okay.
my father.
Mm-hmm.
He likes
Anushri, do it on your own, okay? Tell mama to be quiet. You do it on your own. You can do.
He likes to do safety related things.
Mm-hmm. Till someone is helping you, huh? Do it on your own, bacha.
This is my mother.
Mm-hmm.
My mother likes to do. My mother likes to make a cake.
My mother bakes yummy cakes.
My mother makes yummy cake.
Next.
He take to me dresses.
She buys me new dresses. Okay? Done?
This is my brother. My brother's my
He's
love.
very naughty.
My
He is
brother
very naughty.
I love.
Bacha, you need not repeat my brother, my brother. Pronoun means instead of using that noun, we are replacing that word with a shorter word, correct? So instead of my brother, you have to use in the second sentence as he. Okay?
My brother loves me.
My brother loves me. You have to say as he loves me.
He loves me.
Okay.
This is my grandmother. He loves to see TV.
She loves to watch television. Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Anushri. But you have to pay attention, huh? You have to do it on your own next time. Don't take any help from any family members. And you have to pay attention. I was telling you, no, not to repeat the noun. You were again and again telling my brother, my brother. So you have to be very careful. You have to use pronoun instead of that noun. Okay? Now next is Shlok. Shlok, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start. Oh, Shlok had a haircut.
Yes.
Okay, after a long time.
Yes.
Start.
Hello friends, I am Shlok. My family, there are 6 members in my family. First, I am Shlok. This is grandmother. She loves to see Kirtan.
Okay.
This is my father. He works in office.
Okay.
This is my mother. She cooks very tasty food in kitchen.
Okay.
This is my uncle. He loves to play with me.
Okay.
This is my auntie. She helps my mother in. This is aunt. She loves to. She helps my mother to cook food.
Oh, very nice. Nice sentences. So which are the pronouns that you have used in your sentences, Shlok?
She, he.
And what did you use for yourself?
I.
All right. Done?
And they.
They. Okay.
They are my family.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Shlok. Good job. Next is Maitri Malik. So children, if you're not getting chance today, don't worry. You can just write the sentences and upload it in the English assignment, okay? Because I don't know how far I can give you chance in this single period. Yes, Maitri, quickly. Those who have finished saying, Maitri, 1 minute. Those who have finished saying the sentences, they can start writing on their activity sheet. Yes, Maitri, start.
Hello, I am Maitri.
Hello.
This is my mother.
Beautiful.
My mother is an artist.
My mother को repeat नहीं करना है. You have to use a pronoun. What pronoun will you use for your mama?
She.
So you have to.
She is an artist. This is my dad. He works in Mahindra.
Okay, Maitri, very good sentences. Over.
Miss, I am sorry, I got disconnected. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. No,
There was some internet issue. I have now joined from my mobile. Okay. Thank you so much, Maitri. Now, next student is Athansh Kashyap. Athansh, are you ready?
Yes.
Start.
My name is Athansh.
Mhm.
My name is Athansh. He is my father. He works in.
Tell about yourself first. My name is Athansh. Where is the
My
pronoun?
name is Athansh. I study in first class.
Okay. Okay. Next.
He is my father.
Mm-hmm.
He is an engineer.
Okay.
She is my mom.
Okay.
Who works on office.
She works in an office. Okay.
She
Done?
is my sister.
Mm-hmm.
She goes to school.
Mm-hmm. This is my sister. She goes to school. All right.
My grandpa.
Hmm.
He loves me a lot.
Okay.
This is my uncle.
Mm-hmm.
He plays with me.
Okay. He plays with me. Hmm.
We are a family.
We are a family. All right. Thank you so much, Athansh. And all of you in your family have specs or what? Cute drawings. Nice.
Yes.
All right. Fine. Thank you, Athansh. Now we have the birthday
Thank
boy
you.
next. You're welcome. Arav, birthday boy, ready?
Yes.
Okay, start.
Hello. I am
Hmm.
Ara.
Mhm.
I love to cycling.
Hmm.
I love to eat chocolates.
Okay, one sentence is enough for one person. Okay, fine. So, hi, this is Arav. I love to eat chocolates. Okay, next.
He is my dad.
Mm-hmm.
He is my dad, Prashant. He works.
Mm-hmm.
He is engineer.
He works as an engineer. Okay, next.
She is my mother. She loves to painting.
She loves to do painting. Okay. Anything
She
else?
is my grandmother.
Okay.
Jagdevi.
Her name is Jagdevi. Okay.
She loves to play with me.
Mm-hmm. She loves to play with you. All right. Are you done? He's arranging something now. Quickly, we need to give chance to others. Are you done?
We are.
We are. Huh. You say the sentence. I understood what you want to do. You want to hold all the puppets, no? Now say the sentence, please.
We are happy family.
We are a happy family. Okay, good job. Thank you, Arav. Next is Abhya. So those children who have finished speaking in the class, they can start writing those sentences in the activity sheet, okay? Anushka, start writing the sentences. Abhya, start.
Hi, I am Abhya. I love to go in a plane. And this is my brother. He loves to travel in the plane and me too.
Okay. We both love to travel in the plane. So you can use the pronoun we. Next.
She is my mother.
Mm-hmm.
She likes to wear watches and she is homemaker.
Okay, good. Abhya, I love your sentences. You are using different sentences. Next.
He is my dad. He loves to go in jungle and travel.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And she is my fish, goldfish.
Uh-huh.
And I love to play with fish.
Wow, nice.
I also have a sugar fish.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. So you have included your fishes as well, your pets in the activity. Very nice. Thank you, Abhya. And I love the sentences, huh? Good. Now start writing these sentences in your activity sheet. Keep the puppets along with that sheet. Click a photo and upload an English assignment. Okay, Abhya?
Okay, ma'am.
Next, we have Daksha Shekhar. Unmute and start.
I am Daksha. I like to sing and dance.
Okay, I like to sing and dance. Next.
This is my brother.
Mm-hmm.
He is in 12th standard.
Okay.
I and my brother fight a lot.
So we fight a lot. Oh, you're showing the fighting as well. Oh, jagda, jagdi, jagda, jagdi. Okay. Next.
This is my mother.
With golden hair.
My mother likes to cook.
Okay, your mama likes to cook. Okay, she likes to cook.
This is my father. My father likes to play cricket.
Your father. So you have to, you need not repeat my father, my father. You have to say he loves to play cricket.
He loves to play cricket.
Mm-hmm.
This is my fish.
Mm-hmm.
It lives in my lotus pond.
Wow. Guppy the fish. Okay. Nice. So what is the pronoun that you have used for your pet?
It.
It. Very good. And what did you use for your father?
He.
Okay. What did you use for your mama with golden hair?
She. But,
She.
but my mother actually has black hair.
So why did you color it golden then?
I
You
don't
want
know.
it blonde? You want to, you know, give her a hair color? Okay, Daksha, good. Now let us see who is next. Kushal. Kushal, are you ready? Where is Kushal? Hello. Kushal, you can unmute and you can start.
Hello.
Quickly.
Hello.
Yes, beta, start.
My name is Kushal. I am going to tell my family.
Okay.
This is my father.
I can't see. I can see only a red circle. I can't see the features. You have drawn with a pencil or what? It's not visible to us on the screen. Use a sketch pen, darken it, okay? use a sketch pen and darken it.
Okay.
Okay. So you can say the sentences. It's okay.
My father works from home.
Hmm. So instead of repeating my father, you have to say this is my father. He works from home.
This is my father. He works work from home.
Okay. Next.
His job is Tata Motors.
So he works in Tata Motors.
He
Okay.
works in Tata Motors.
Okay. Next.
Next is my mother.
Okay.
My mother cooks
She.
yummy food.
She cooks yummy food.
She cooks yummy food.
Mm-hmm.
She works in
She's a
Tata
homemaker.
Motors.
She also works in Tata Motors.
Yes.
Okay. So you can say they work. है ना? You have two people working in Tata Motors. So you can say they.
They work in Tata Motors.
Okay. Fine. Done?
I am Kushal. I am 6 years old.
Very good. I am Kushal. I am 6 years old. Thank you so much, Kushal. Now start writing these sentences in your activity sheet. Okay?
Okay.
Mokshada. Last student is Mokshada for today because we don't have time. Mokshada, quickly start.
My dada is a doctor.
Where is the pronoun? Where is the pronoun? This is my father.
He is my father. He works in hospital.
Okay.
She is my mother. She works in hospital.
Is your mama a doctor?
Yes.
So you have to. No nurse. Okay. So you have to say no. She is a nurse. She. Okay.
Is my grandmother.
Okay.
She is my grandmother. She cooks tasty food. This is my grandfather.
Okay.
He reads newspaper.
He reads newspapers. Okay.
This is my brother. He plays toys.
He plays with his toys.
This is me. I also play with toys.
Okay, Mokshada. Thank you so much. Nice sentences. Thank you. So everyone, now those who didn't get the chance, it's okay. We can't include all the 40 children. No, whoever was ready, I gave chance to a few of them, and those who didn't get the chance, don't worry. You can upload the photograph of your puppets with the sentences in the activity sheet. Click photo of that sheet and you can send it. Okay, you can upload it in the assignment, English assignment. And also if you want, you can send it to me on my personal number as well, holding the sheet and the puppets. Okay, on my personal number. All right. Have you understood what I am telling? So that's all for English. We'll meet again tomorrow.